Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we will be unboxing and setting up the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential. Now this clock is actually quite amazing in many ways. For starters, it's a Bluetooth speaker, it's a clock, it can tell weather, and you can ask Google to tell you stuff. Alright, let's get quickly into it. The shrink wrapping is off. Okay, so here we've got the main thing, which is the clock. It's actually quite tiny, but it's a pretty good, decent size. It fits in your hand just like so. I like the fabric up on the top. Now at the back you also have like a night lamp and a USB output, so you can actually charge your phone, which is really great. Now this thing comes with a charger, which is very, very critical, and I'm glad this company decided to provide this. Alright, and the instruction booklet. So let's put this aside and we'll set this up right now. Alright guys, so now I've actually set up the Google Home app on the iPhone, signed up, and then connected the app to the clock. So it's a pretty easy step. Let's test Google, and you can hear the speaker sound as well. Hey Google, what's the temperature right now?
The temperature in Watson right now is 16 degrees.
Right. Hey Google, play some Alice in Chains on Spotify.
Playing Alice in Chains on Spotify.
Hey Google, stop. Now this feature also has a light, a night light. I'm not sure if Google would be able to switch it on for us or not, but let's give it a go. Otherwise, I think to switch it on, you just gotta press this negative button, hold it down for a few seconds, and the light goes on. So I'm gonna turn this off right now and ask the AI. Hey Google, switch the light on. It did. Well, that's amazing. So if you're actually laying there in your bed, it's nighttime, and obviously the clock is a bit far away from your bed, you can ask Google to switch the light on. So that is actually a pretty cool feature. And if you have this thing sitting right next to your bed on your bedside table, then you can plug in your USB cable and charge your phone. So super handy. It'll display a little icon here saying the weather. So right now it's actually raining outside, and it's got the cloud and the rain symbol. Yeah, well that's it. Well, this is a great piece of device. I really like it, and you can see the time, look at the weather, and you have like an artificial intelligence assistant at home. Alright guys, well thanks for watching this little video. I hope it was useful. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. I post vlogs, I do a lot of tech review and music review. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.